Welcome to the information session on the nursing program at Walla Walla Community College. There are several degrees and certificates to choose from. The CNA is a 1/4 certificate program. There is a minimum reading requirement to enroll in the CNA program, and it has its own application process. The LPN and RN degrees do require prerequisite courses to enroll in the programs. After completing prerequisites for both programs, the PN, Practical Nurse Program, is 4 quarters, and the RN, Registered Nurse Program, is 6 quarters long. The advising that you have during the nursing program will vary. When you are in your pre-nursing courses, if you'd like to be enrolled in the PN or RN programs, you will have a pre-nursing advisor who will help you get through those prerequisite and supportive courses. Once you have been accepted into the nursing program, you will then have a specific nursing advisor. All of these advisors are very helpful along the way. To become enrolled in the PN or RN programs, you must first apply and be accepted. Acceptance is based solely upon points earned, based on your grades in the support courses. On the next slides, you will see an example of this. Applications are accepted once per year, and the deadline for submission is April 15th. Some of the support courses required have prerequisites, so be sure to review your placement test scores with your advisor to see if you need to complete any of these prerequisites. Now for our example student, let's look at Ed the Warrior. Ed is looking to get his ADN, his Associate Degree in Nursing. He recently took the placement test and placed into English 97, College Level Reading, and Math 65. Good job, Ed. First of all, we'll look at the program requirements. These are the courses that must be completed prior to applying to the nursing program. These courses include biology, the general biology course, chemistry, and that would be a 5-credit college-level chemistry course, math. You must be eligible to enter college-level math, which means complete Math 95 or place into college-level math. Now, this is an important place to note that in the coming year, statistics will be a requirement. For today, we're looking at only Math 95, but soon statistics will be a requirement as well. For English, you have to be eligible to enter English 101 or at college level, and the nursing assistant course. The nursing assistant course must be completed prior to starting the nursing program. The sooner the better to get that done. Now below you'll see required supportive courses. These are the courses that give you points towards acceptance in the program. We're going to look very closely at the points system in just a few minutes in the next section of the nursing room. Now Ed's worked with his advisor, and they decide that for fall quarter, starting out, he should get started in his math, English, and general biology course. That general biology is a prerequisite for the other 3 biology courses you see listed in the supportive courses. So it's important to get that done. In winter, he'll be able to continue with his math, completing Math 95, also continue with his English and complete English 101. He's going to take microbiology as well. In spring quarter of his first year, he's going to complete that chemistry course that does have a lab with it, Psych 100, general psychology, and also a speech class. Now Ed's going to take the summer off, work a little bit in the summer, earn some money, come back and complete his Anatomy and Physiology 1 and Nutrition. Now those are both science classes, so that's going to be a difficult quarter for him. Also notice that both of those courses are courses that get him points towards acceptance in the program. Winter quarter, he's going to have to really bear down again, take Anatomy and Physiology 2 and General Psychology. Now, after winter quarter, this yellow line indicates application. Okay? Applications are due to the nursing program April 15th each year. That's when they accept applications. That means that they're going to look at all of your grades prior to April 15th. Okay? So all the grades that you see for the courses listed that Ed's taken thus far will count towards points for acceptance in the program. Now, in the springtime, Ed is going to complete his nursing assistant course as well. Now, that does not count for points, but it does have to be done prior to entering the program. Now, if Ed does very well, which we'll see in the next section of the nursing room, then he will get accepted to start the nursing program in fall of 2014. That means he'll complete his first year of nursing in that year and the second year in fall of 2015 through spring of 2016. At that point, he'll have his associate degree in nursing and be able to take his NCLEX board exams to become a registered nurse. Now, the point system. We're going to look at Ed the Warrior as an example student in a video coming up here very shortly on how he earns his points. So it may make more sense after that, but this is the black and white version. So grading policy is standard for the nursing program, and it is based on grade points you earn. An A is worth 4 points, a B 3 points, C 2 points, and so on as shown in the graph. Now, how much are classes worth in getting accepted to the nursing program? There are 3 5-point courses, which are the biologies. That's Anatomy and Physiology 1, 2, and Microbiology. There are 4 3-point courses and 1 2-point course. Now, to find out how many grade points you earn for each course, you take your points earned, which is the grade points earned there, multiplied by how many credits a class is worth. So if we look at Biology 251 as the example, that is a 5-credit class. If you get a B in that 5-credit class, you take 5 times 3, which is the points earned for the grade, and you get 15. Now that 15 then goes towards the total points earned for that course. So you take the 15 multiplied by a 5-point course, which is that Biology 251 we were talking about. So 15 times 5 would give 75 total points towards nursing acceptance for that class. Now, new this year, there is now science course attempts that factor into your points. So if you retake a science course, the amount of points you earn will decrease. In the science course attempts table, you can see this reflected. Now think of the factor as a percentage. If you only attempt a science course once, you get 100% of the points you've earned. If you attempt it twice, you only receive 70% of the points possible. A third attempt, and you only get 50% of the points possible, and so on, as you can see in the table here. Now next you'll have an opportunity to watch a short video looking at an example of Ed the Warrior's grades, and you'll get to see how many points he earned to get into the nursing program. Be sure to watch closely, and all of these points will begin to make a lot more sense.